Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime with some soap and some sugar. But if this doesn't work, then I'll be using some other ingredients. So this is what you need: a little place to, like a bowl or something, but I got this little thing, a mixing tool or a spoon or fork, some shampoo or body wash, and this is actually my little sister's, and some sugar. So first you will want to put the soap into the little bowl, or your little bowl or something, and I don't know why, but I just like mixing everything before, so. So now I have to put this, and now get your sugar, and I have my sugar in here. I don't know if you can see that, but that's my sugar. And then, so you're going to put a reasonable amount of sugar. And so I think that's better, because it depends on how much glue you put in. I mean shampoo you put in. And so just start mixing up everything. So that's not really working, but I'm going to give it a couple more minutes and I'll be back. So, yeah. And I'm probably going to do a part 2. This is going to be part 1, so when I come back, it's going to be part 2, because my camera, it just keeps on, like, pausing, like, getting these ads, and then when you get the ads, then, you, like, have to start the video all over, and that's why, like, I have, like, some, like, sugar and stuff on my table, or counter, or whatever, because I've been doing this, like, 5 times already, so. So, I'll be back in part 2. So, make sure you subscribe and comment down below if you've ever tried this recipe. And if it's not working, please don't be shy to give me some judgments. Some, like, judgments. I don't know how to call them, I forgot. And then, so, tell me what I'm doing wrong. And so, I'll be back in part 2. Bye!